Hi, y'all. Welcome back. I am currently at work being a CNA, and today has been a nice day, but I'm not going to talk too much because somebody was getting on my nerves. And you know how it is being a CNA sometimes when people want to come to work and be bossy and tell you what to do. And then when you have a conversation with other CNAs, that person want to jump in your conversation and you be like, I'm talking to somebody else. I'm not talking to you. I'm not trying to be rude, but we all go be nice, right? In a nice way. Anywho, how y'all doing? Welcome back. It's your girl Elaine Boulevard. I'm back with another Viggity vlog. Nice to see y'all. How y'all doing? Today is my Friday at work because I came to work yesterday, which was my Monday, which was a Friday, and today's my Friday. Okay, so anywho, I'm thinking about working more, but not right now. Once I get to Florida, then I'll probably pick up 3 days a week at work. But anywho, I was waiting on my Temu package to get delivered last night. It was a complete disappointment, but it's nothing personal. So anywho, I'm gonna go back to my Temu account here on my cell phone. This is what I'm looking at, and then I'm gonna see if the package has been delivered. Okay, let me turn that off because we don't want to be getting copyrighted playing at other people YouTube videos. Then I need to go into my Temu account. Where's my package at? Okay, so track. So it looks like they're going to deliver it on the 24th, maybe. It says awaiting delivery, but yesterday it said that my package was out for delivery. My thing is, if you not go deliver my package, just don't even alert me talking about you go deliver my package. Like, that's a bunch of bull right there. I don't know what's going on. This is the beginning of the year, so maybe they're behind. So I'll be patient and wait because for Sunday, I want to do a Sunday reset vlog, and then I was planning to be able to do a Temu review on the products that I ordered off of Temu, but I see my package is delayed through my postal service where I live at. So I guess there will be no Temu review for tomorrow's vlog upload. And right now I'm just at work. Y'all know what I was thinking today? I was really thinking about doing agency and only work in agency, but I don't know. Maybe when I move, I'll probably make some changes to how I work in the medical field because I was thinking, okay, maybe if I work agency, I won't have no commitment to being at a facility. But then it's good to work at a nursing home facility because you have a job, you know, you have steady income, you don't have to worry about getting canceled by a nursing agency and stuff. I mean, unless your census is low at your job, then they might, cancel you. But other than that, I'm thinking maybe I should work agency. I can work whenever I want to work. If I don't want to work Friday, Saturday, I can work Monday, Tuesday, and then have the rest of the week off. Or I can work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then work the whole month worth of work. Hmm. But then I don't have a car. Huh. That's the con to it. I don't have a car. But the pros are good, okay? I can work whenever I want to work. I actually work whenever I want to work now. I just have a set schedule, only working 2 days a week. But I'm still considering working agency. So maybe later on a video will come up about me possibly going into work in an agency in the healthcare field. Maybe. Good morning. It is January the 21st. It is Sunday. Now, I have not received my Temu package at all. And I don't even think it's going to be delivered on Sunday. Sometimes the mailman is out on Sundays delivering mail, but I doubt it this time. Maybe Monday my package will come. I was looking forward to doing a Sunday reset today and also talk about my Temu package, like what I bought and everything, you know, do my little review. I don't know what's going on with my internet. It's like kicking me out of my apps. So yeah, I'm pretty much not doing nothing today. I know I'm gonna get ready to make something to eat because I'm getting back into the habit of making breakfast every morning. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. Make something for breakfast. I don't know, I might go somewhere today. Probably later on. But other than that, I'm at home. I was looking forward to doing my Sunday reset. I mean, I can still do a Sunday reset vlog, but I wanted to do my Temu review. And I'm drinking water. More water. Drinking more water. Staying hydrated throughout the day. Yeah, so I ended up going to the local grocery store, looking at some plants and stuff. This one is really cute right here. And here we have some candles. I love the packaging and these Valentine's packaged candles as well. So I thought I'd show this to y'all. And over here we have some Valentine's Decor thingies, XOX. These are like some candles, I think. And yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much, but I hope y'all enjoy this part of the vlog. Thank you much. I went ahead and I wrapped my wrist because your girl done pulled a muscle. And yeah, I'm gonna try to recover. Ooh, I just been having bad luck. My Temu package didn't come so that I can do a Sunday reset Temu review and just a Sunday reset and all, but we'll see what Monday brings, and hopefully my hand feels a little better because ooh, it hurt. Okay, that's a little better. But yeah, I'm hurting right now. I am up late tonight. It is going on 3 a.m. in the morning. Today is January the 23rd. And I'm just slow living, resetting in a way. I did clean my house. I cleaned up because it was a mess up in here. But I think today I'm gonna just take it easy and also wait for my Temu package, although I'm not being sponsored by Temu, but I can't wait for my package to come so that I can do a review on the items that I purchased. And besides that, I need to put on my new marble green toenail stickers. But in the morning, your girl's gonna be asleep because I'm just up cooking, yeah, making some rice, and I'm baking some good old chicken, boneless chicken at that. So I'll pick y'all up a little later. Okay, so I'm doing some cleaning. I have some bleach and soapy soaps up in here because I'm tired and my blinds looking dirty, and I'm just wiping down stuff. So the things that irk me is my blinds. Like, I don't know if y'all blinds ever get like dust on it and those little gumpy things. I guess it just comes from touching your blinds and stuff like that. When your hands are dirty, but it just kills me. And today, I gotta clean my blinds because I love blinds, but then at the same time, I can't stand blinds because you do have to clean them, and I'm not about to take them down and soak them and do all that stuff. It's so loud. I wiped down. See? See, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Wait, hold on. Oh, geez. Okay. So first of all, I need to do laundry. Okay, I'm gonna have to get out the black tape if you go fall. Okay. So first of all, I need to do laundry. I wiped down my walls with bleach today and all that good stuff. I was thinking about taping up the frame of my windows with this black tape that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And it comes with 2 good size bands of tape. As a matter of fact, maybe I'll film this in the next part of the vlog tomorrow. Taping my windows up to give it that black look. I need to do my dishes. Went outside tonight. It wasn't that crowded at the store, but I was up in there, so I want to film. Oh no, yeah. I want to film me washing the dishes, but I am so embarrassed. I don't even want to put it on camera. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna let this ring light charge, and I'll pick y'all up in a little while because your girl's a little busy tonight. Yeah, so we'll talk later. Okay, here we go. There we go. Good morning, everyone. I love. Ooh, you're a little violent. Making something to eat. And I also been digitally planning on my planner as well, just figuring out some things. See, my coffee maker is leaking. I don't know if y'all can see, but I don't know. So this is a turkey sandwich on pretzel bread. And so good. Hello, people. I am just sitting here debating whether or not if I'm gonna get up and put that black tape around my window frames so that it will have that black accent window frame look. So, maybe I should just go ahead and start filming and hoist y'all up in my window. Yeah. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna just get up and do it, okay? And I'm gonna vlog it. Hello, I just want to be honest with y'all. In the process of putting this black tape on my window frames, I've decided that I'm not going to continue with this DIY because I'm planning on moving out of this apartment. It's just time for something new, and I cannot wait to move into my new apartment and do my DIY projects, renter friendly, decor things and stuff like that. But I'm just not feeling putting this black tape on my window frames, and I'm gonna just take it off because I'm just not feeling it. And I just wanted to let y'all know what I was thinking when I was putting this black tape on my window frame, but I decided to not do it. Okay, I found this store called Cotton On. This jacket is just $20. It is so cute. Purple, a little puffy, half cut jacket. And then they have some other things in here, backpacks. I'm gonna call these like stretchy pants up in this store workout pants, because if I come up in here and buy anything, I'm gonna be buying something to work out in. I love this charcuterie board. It is gigantic. And this black charcuterie board as well. Now, this is like the third time I done a voiceover. And this store is playing a lot of copyrighted music. Y'all, something, I am not the best at vlogging my feminine hygiene routine on video, okay? I don't even have anything to hold this tripod up so I can film while I'm, using the body wash. So this is a struggle. And I still have my lipstick on. Okay, I want to put a disclaimer out there. This part of the video is not sponsored, but I'm just going to do a review of how this body wash is. And yeah, that's it. Okay, testing 1, 2. Yes, I love the lather. I love that the body cleanser by this Dove Love is like thick, and I love the lather. Okay, I love this Dove Love Moisture body cleanser. It smells so good. Okay, instead of writing something, I'm gonna just say it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please subscribe. Thank you much.